In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give scam tag to Telegram account. We're focusing on the official and most effective route. Reporting through Telegram's anti-scam bot so the account can be reviewed. And if appropriate, labeled with a scam tag. Start by opening Telegram and searching for the official anti-scam bot. Written exactly as at Notoscam, open a chat with the bot. When the options appear, select Report Impersonation. This is the path the bot provides for handling suspicious accounts and scam. Related behavior, including cases where someone pretends to be another person or organization to deceive users. Next, forward the suspicious messages directly to the bot. This helps the reviewers see exactly what happened. In context, to do that, open the chat with the suspected account, press and hold on the relevant message or media, choose Forward and select your @Notoscam chat. If there are multiple messages that tell the full story, forward them in order so the sequence is clear. If you can't forward for any reason, or if you want to add more detail, write a clear message to the bot. You can use a short, respectful template like this. Hello admin, I would like to report a user for suspected scam activity. Please review and consider adding a scam tag to the following account. Then include the account's exact username or a direct profile link, so here is no confusion about who you are reporting. In that same message, add a brief description of what happened. Focus on facts, what was promised, what was requested, and what you observed. For example, note if they asked for payment upfront, sent you to unfamiliar links, or pretended to be a known individual or service. If you have evidence, include it. Screenshots are especially helpful. Make sure they show usernames, dates, and the conversation itself so the context is complete. If you already forwarded messages, say that you've attached supporting screenshots as well. The goal is to make it easy for the reviewers to verify your report quickly and accurately. Once you've sent the report, the anti-scam team will review the information. If they confirm the behavior, they'll apply the scam tag to the account. This process can take some time depending on the queue, so be patient and avoid sending duplicate reports. A single well-documented submission is far more effective than multiple short messages. That's it. Thanks for watching.